y'all are well and feeling even better. Cheers to a new meal prepping video. And listen, I know it's been a while, but I have a valid excuse, a few valid excuses actually. So by now you all should know I went on a business trip to Oregon for I think about 4 or 5 days. So before that trip, I finished up whatever meal prep I had in the fridge, and then I said, okay, I have about 2 more days. Let me just do my salad and canned tunas. I've told you all before, I love the way my body feels after eating canned tuna. And one of my yoga instructors mentioned it being some type of remedy she eats for like a gut health control. It's like a tuna, avocado, and something else. I'm not sure. I'll look it up, but I've never tried it. So if you want to try it, give it a shot. Anyhow, so I did that for like the last 2 days. Went to Oregon, and you know, needless to say, you know how business trips go. Alcohol and food. That's what it's all about. So that's what I had for that span of 4 or 5 days. The foods weren't too bad. Here's what I ate. I made sure to take a video of everything for you guys. Right? So that's all I had. So once I returned from Oregon, I had a few of my juices prepped in the fridge because I knew I would want to do a quick cleanse. So I had strawberry and orange juice, I had apple juice and ginger, and I also had, dang, what was the third one? I think maybe just a lemon and ginger juice. You all know ginger and lemon are natural preservatives that I add to each juice so they can last longer. However, I had an entire bottle of ginger and lemon juice, and let me tell you, it was intense. So for the first 2 days after I returned from Oregon, that's what I had, my juices and water. After those 2 days, I went back to canned tuna and salads, and then, wait, that was for about 3 days, and then I prepped spaghetti really quickly for like the last 3 days before I left, because one thing about me, I hate leaving food in the fridge before I travel. I absolutely hate it. So when I meal prepped the spaghetti, I didn't film it for you all. Not that I was being lazy, I just had a shitload of editing to do, and I still have a lot of editing to do. So you'll notice this meal prepping video is actually gonna be quite quicker than usual, but also because I don't have my gadgets that I usually use at home, so you can have an aerial view of the foods. So anyhow, that happened, traveled again, and you know, fast forward 2 or 3 days and here we are. I gotta get myself back on track. It is a holiday this week, but no matter if there is or is not a holiday, my meal prepping is for the same reasons. 1, to avoid the junk, 2, to avoid eating out, and 3, to save money, okay? Now, I don't necessarily know, well, I know what I'm prepping, but I don't know how I'm cooking it. So to tell you I am making shrimp pasta or a stir fry or just shrimp and veggies, I don't know yet. I just have my groceries and I'm gonna just cook and go and let you all know what I come out with at the end. So thank you again for tuning in. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or contact me directly at xojrwellness.com/contact. Enjoy. Y'all, I was just watching my video back and I low-key like this view angle much more than my own kitchen. I think it's the window light that's just really doing it, because I'm still learning my studio light so I don't, what is it called when you flush out your skin and you just look so bright? I'm still learning those, but listen, y'all know I should know nothing touches that natural light. I'm in front of a window. Okay, but let me hurry up. It's getting dark early and I'm not gonna have any light soon. Okay, since you all won't see the usual, you know, angles of me cutting and everything, although I do have my phone set up and the angle looks to be really, really cute, let's talk about Vlogmas. So your girl, hold on, let me get situated. Your girl has been prepping for Vlogmas, and let me tell you, it's been a lot of filming going on here. Prepping for Vlogmas, trying to keep up with partnerships. I'm doing it, but I'm like, I never imagined I would be, you know, filming this much. Mind you, when I first, my sole purpose when I purchased my camera was for stock photos. I was tired of going through Squarespace, Canva, to search for specific photos for my website. And I was also tired of waiting for photographers to, you know, help me create whatever idea that would come to mind in the middle of the night. So one year, what I think it's been about maybe a year and a half, 2 years now, I decided I'm just gonna buy my own camera. I went to Best Buy, did that, and I remember one of the employees asked, okay, what is your camera for? Will you be vlogging, YouTube, taking photos? I said, no, absolutely not YouTube. It's just gonna be for taking photos. And you know, fast forward here, I have way more videos in my camera than photos, way more. And prepping for Vlogmas, the main tip, although this is gonna be my first Vlogmas, but I'm not sure how many of you are prepping for it or have Vlogmas in your mind, but I tell you this, if you haven't started prepping now, prep it. Prep. Whether that means, you know, filming your Christmas content now, going into stores, getting your B-roll, talking about your Christmas ideas, or if you also, like myself, want to stay on track with your regular content, you want to film all those right now. So when it's Vlogmas time, your sole focus is Vlogmas. That's it. That's absolutely it. So I've actually been doing both. I filmed a bit of B-roll. I haven't filmed a decorating video yet, simply because I haven't decorated my home yet. I have not. So I do have a try-on haul that I filmed. I have this meal prepping video. I have a new juicing video. Y'all, I got a new juicer. I threw my Hamilton juicer. Listen, this part is gonna be so hilarious if I haven't even posted, or if I end up posting the juicing video before this, or if I haven't. I forgot which way. But anyhow, whether it's posted or not, you all know Jazzy Baby has a new juicer. I obviously love it. Absolutely love it indeed. So let's get back on track, Vlogmas. So if you have not yet, go ahead and list out your ideas. Decide if you want to maintain your usual content during those 25 days. Because is Vlogmas, you post every single day before Christmas, but I would also post Christmas Day. So I'm gonna say 25 days. Whether you wanna stay on track by, you know, maintaining your usual content for those 25 days, just do those now, because by now those are probably, you know, effortless for you to do. Because I remember it used to take me a while to do a meal prepping video, simply because I would have to, oh, I don't like the way I said this, oh, I forgot to mention this and this, but now I'm just like, you know, xoJRwellness.com/contact. Hit me in the comments if you want to. It's just, what do you call it? What do they call the habit? Like a creature of habit or something like that? I'm not sure. But seriously, let me get back to the Vlogmas tip list. Plan all of your Vlogmas content now. Decide if you are going to maintain your usual content or just scrap it all and go, you know, full out Christmas. Whatever you're gonna do, get that done. Go to the store. Get your B-roll now. Y'all know Christmas decor has honestly been out since before Halloween. They disrespected my holiday this year. I know they always disrespect Thanksgiving, but they disrespected Halloween this year, and it just gets me every single time. I feel as if, you know, once we're past Halloween, to me, that's fair game. That's a green light to decorate for Christmas. I don't know about you, but that's what I think. The only reason I have not decorated my place for Christmas yet, I initially wanted to, like, when did I come back? I wanted to the first weekend of November. Ended up putting way too much on my to-do list. Got burnt out and ended up just relaxing completely that Friday. I think I was on my Instagram stories that day as well. So anyhow, yeah, those are my 4 tips for you. 4 tips. I hope I said 4. If not, I'm gonna think about it and come back, but it's so odd that I can't do both at the same time anymore. So I'm trying to see what I can do while also trying to beat the sunlight. You guys, here's this joke I've been wanting to ask LaToya. What do dentists call their x-rays? The answer is toothpicks, and I think it's so cute. She loves the little jokes like that, so I really want to know if she's hip on this, so hold on. And I have to ask her on FaceTime because I don't want her to search.
Were you gonna make another one? No.
Hello, Jasmine Rain.
Hi, say hello to YouTube. You aren't on camera though, they can only hear you.
Hi, YouTube. Where you going? You look pretty.
Thank you. Actually, I should put you on. I have to ask you something, so hold on. Let me get the... Oh, Callie! Okay, are you ready for your question, Latoya?
Yes.
What do dentists call their x-rays?
What do dentists call their x-rays?
Yeah.
I usually say my feet because that's the type of x-ray I need. You need to call upon the type of x-ray that you need. Why? Is this a joke?
Yes.
No idea.
Toothpicks!
They call it what?
Toothpicks!
You can tell that one all
I have been crying, laughing at that joke for days now. I knew it was a good joke. I'm surprised she didn't know it, and that makes me so happy. This is my first time roasting the garlic without my garlic roaster. And it turns out the same, look. And I let it cool this time, you guys. I learned my lesson. I forgot to tell you all, I am also making banana bread, and they are hella ripe. Look at this. Y'all know, for my banana bread makers, y'all know this here, look at her. Y'all see that? That? Oh, match made in heaven for banana bread, banana pancakes, smoothies. For me personally, these are overripe for smoothies. So, you know, solely for cooking. I'm sure you can still use it for smoothies because they're hella sweet, and I wish you all could smell them, but whew, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah. Alrighty friends, that wraps up today's meal prep of the week. I hope you all enjoyed it, and the meal is definitely giving etouffee. I've never cooked that before in my life, never had any intentions. I think I've only had that once, and it was in New Orleans. It wasn't even on my mind, but you know, I was cooking, I was flowing, I was doing my thing, and that's what came out. And listen, your girl is hella satisfied. I went a little heavy on the pepper accidentally. I didn't realize the top of the pepper container was loose, so when I went to do a little dash, it just poured, okay? And then I asked my mom, what should I do? She said, just mix it on in, because you kind of have no choice. So I did, and gave it a little spice that I like, because if you know me, you know your girl loves some spicy foods. And I actually wanted to make the shrimp spicy, but I forgot to pick up jalapenos or red pepper flakes at the store, so it turned out for the best indeed. So if you have not meal prepped before, if it's been on your mind, take the time to do so. Save money, know what you're putting into your body, understand what you're putting into your body, understand how your body reacts to specific foods. Trust me, you will not regret meal prepping at all. Does it take a bit of time at first? Absolutely, but remember, it takes time to save time. So for all of my beginners, be sure to watch my how-to meal prepping video. I think the title is Meal Prepping 101. Just in case that's incorrect, I'll be sure to put a screenshot here of the thumbnail so you can see everything. Tap in, search it. The link will also be in my description. Thank you guys again so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments, or you can contact me directly, or personally, I should say, at xojrwellness.com/contact. Talk to you guys next time. Ciao. Friends, I don't know who needs to hear this, but stop adding sugar to your banana bread batter. That 1 cup of sugar in the recipes, no, stop it. Just make sure your bananas are ripe, and I'm talking hella ripe, overly ripe, okay? That's it. These banana bread muffins are sugar-free, except the muffins with the chocolate chips, of course, but the others completely sugar-free, and they were thebomb.com.